Ruby Princess cruise crashes into Pier 27, San Francisco.
The Ruby Princess cruise ship hit Pier 27 while docking Thursday morning, July 6, 2023, in San Francisco, California. The Ruby Princess was returning from its 10-day Alaska cruise and was docking at the San Francisco Pier to disembark passengers as its final stop and embark new passengers when the crash happened. The collision damaged the port and punctured the rear left hull of the Ruby Princess. The hole is approximately 2 feet wide. Over 3,000 passengers and 1,000 crew members are on board the cruise, waiting for a delayed departure to Alaska. The welders spent several hours repairing and closing up the 2-foot hole. An inspection was conducted the next day to assess the progress of the repair. The cruise successfully welded the hole shut.
The good news for the thousands of passengers who have been sitting at Pier 27 for a day and a half, their Alaska cruise is still a go. The bad news, they won't be seeing much of Alaska, and that's because they're not setting sail until Sunday as work continues to fix a hole in the hull left by the ship's close encounter with the dock yesterday morning. So the original 10-day itinerary included 4 stops in Alaska: Sitka, Glacier Bay, Juneau, and Ketchikan. So the revised 7-day itinerary leaves only one 12-hour stop in Ketchikan before the ship heads back down the British Columbia coast towards San Francisco.
Guests who decide to take the shorter cruise will receive a 75% refund, as well as an equal amount of credit for a future cruise, per the statement. Like and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Be sure to check out our other videos for more incredible content and adventures.